Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn off or reduce YouTube Shorts on your account. YouTube Shorts are short-form vertical videos that appear in your feed and subscriptions. While there's no official off switch for Shorts, there are a few smart workarounds to hide or reduce them from your YouTube experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a Chrome extension. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for YouTube Shorts block. Click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. Step 2. Enable the extension. Once installed, click the extensions icon puzzle piece at the top right corner of Chrome. Select YouTube Shorts block from the list. Ensure the toggle is turned on. This means Shorts will play like normal YouTube videos. Now, when you open any YouTube Shorts, it will load in the regular video player. This extension does not disable Shorts entirely. It just changes how they are displayed on desktop. That's it. A quick and easy way to make YouTube Shorts less annoying on desktop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.